Hello friends! Welcome to Kiddo Color Club. Today, we're going to draw a cute yoga girl sitting in the butterfly pose. Get your pencils and let's have some fun together. First, let's draw a round face, make a light circle. Now draw two closed eyes and a smiling mouth. Let's add the ears on both sides and a small ponytail on top. Next, draw the t-shirt and both arms coming down. Now move to the legs, draw them folded like butterfly wings. And finally, draw her hands holding her feet gently. Great job! Now let's start coloring. You can color the t-shirt red or blue. Use yellow or magenta for the pants. Color her hair black or brown and choose a soft skin tone.
Like a butterfly, I sit so still. 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 With happy heart and peaceful will. 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 Yoga helps my body and mind. 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 Let's feel this soft with colors kind. Let's feel this soft with colors kind. Let's feel this art with colors kind. Let's feel this art with colors kind.
Wow, you did an amazing job! If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Kiddo Color Club. Share your drawings in the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.